Right, it's day number 23 of Vlogmas. I'm trying to catch up. Last night I did some editing and I got up at least 17 and 18. But yes, I am feeling so much better, finally. I still have a little, like, funny tummy thing going on, but so much better. I suddenly have a burst of energy and I'm excited and I'm so relieved because this is it now. I'm gonna go full steam ahead. And B is full of beans and being wonderful. And yeah, actually the bump has gone down a lot, which is wonderful. It's bruised a little bit, but not badly. She's managed to scratch her face. I don't know when. I think in her cot the night before last, because she woke up in the morning with a big scratch on her face. But we've cut her nails and hopefully that will help her doing any more damage. But I think it will be... Oh, hello, darling. Hi, what do you want, sweetheart? Adam. If she doesn't know what to say, she says Adam. Would you like this one? Oh! There you go. Look at your planes, trains, but cars, boats, trains and planes pop-up book. There you go, sweetheart. But yeah, so Stephen has just popped out to get our chicken. So I think I said before, I just don't know how to even start with a turkey, so we're going for a chicken. So nice roast chicken. We've got pigs in blankets from the butcher as well, so he's picking up those now. And all of the food from my lovely, lovely friend Aga came yesterday. Stephen went and picked that up from her Ocado shop. So everything arrived and I'm so pleased with that. Things like Brussels sprouts, I really actually didn't think we would have this Christmas, but we've got them, so that's really exciting. So it's starting to feel like it's coming together. Do I say that? Do I even put that jinx out there? But it does, and I'm going to go with it. And yeah, rolling with the punches and embracing a smaller Christmas. So I hope you are too, and see you in a bit.
You ready? Should we go up the stairs? Can you say up the stairs? Upstairs. Doom, 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 doom. Do you want to go down the stairs? Doom, 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 doom. Oh, ho, ho, that was fun.
So I knitted this jumper for B. I love it so much. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at the buttons. Very cute.
Oh, Santa, you're going up the stairs.
And yes, I am in my noisy waterproof trousers.
Down the stairs. Doom, 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 doom. Beatrix.
Happy birthday.
Hello. 20. No.
Hello.
Good try. 23. Look, 23. Which one, darling? 2, 3. 23. Nearly. It's nearly at the top. 24. You've looked in. 22 or 23. There it is. Oh,
wow.
There it is. Would you like Daddy to read it? Shall I read it? Go on then. Read. Okay. Oh, are you sitting comfortably? Then I'll begin. Your last set of playhouse furniture, a bookcase and 4 wooden chairs. So come and search to join the fun. We've hidden these things in your ball run.
Oh!
Where's your ball run game, B? Your ball run. You know where the balls roll down? Where's the ball run box?
Be look behind you. Where are you going?
It's in here, darling.
It's right here.
Where's your ball run box? Go and have a look.
Ball run.
Ball run, yes, okay.
Woo! Nearly! That was a good save, B.
Oh, what's that?
This.
What's that?
B. What's that? Look. What's that?
Oh!
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 Do you want to try and get them out?
Oh!
Oh, what is that? It's a little chair. Should we put Santa on it to show you?
Okay.
Okay, so if you sit it down, and then Santa sits on it. Hello! They're very small though, aren't they?
Ow!
What other ones? Do you want to get some more? How many chairs? Oh, is that another chair? Okay. Is this for your playhouse? Very nice. Anything else? Two, yeah. Do these sit on them okay?
No. Okay,
There's a bed, and what else do we have? So we got two more chairs.
Two there.
Yeah, so how many chairs in total? One. Should we count them? One,
And
two,
three.
3, 4. And then what's this?
Oh!
Now, this one,
We don't
I think you can use this for lots of different things. It might be a little table, or it could be a bookcase. You know, like Dad's library. What do you think it is? Do you think it's a bed? Yeah, it might be a bed as well.
There we go, darling. Day 23 is the rest of the furniture because tomorrow is the last day of Advent. So tonight is the wrapping present night. Stephen's got Bailey's. We've both got tea. Bee's got a lot of gifts from other people that have sent it to us, so we're going to wrap all of those as well. Yeah, we're going to try and get through this. Are you ready?
I don't know how to wrap that.
Oh my goodness. We also, her main present from us is an easel, so I don't know if you seem to think we're going to wrap it. I think we'll just put a bow on it. We'll see how we get on.
Wrap it.
Okay. Anyway, we've got the end of Philadelphia Story, so we're going to watch that as well. And we're down on the floor doing our wrapping night. Yay! So should we say goodnight now? Alright, night guys!
Bee, come look. It's Christmas Eve. That's the 24th. 24th. It's the last one.
The top box.
Yeah, the top box. Can you open the top door?
Four.
Yeah,
24.
exactly, darling.
Do you want to open the 24 door at the top? So the top one.
Mommy.
Yeah, the top one. Which is the there? Nearly. The top one. This. Right at the top.
Ten.
Oh! I hope this rhyme works.
Oh.
Would you like Daddy to read it for you? You open it. Here we go. It's Christmas Eve. There's one more gift. Don't think I'm telling porkers. But swimming in your bull pond, I swear I saw an
Oh.
orca. In your bull pond. It's in your bull pond somewhere.
Go on, go
Let's
and
go
find
in and have a
it.
look.
Go fish it.
Should we have a look together in your bull pond?
Bull pond.
There's an orca somewhere. Should we have a look?
There's an orca in your bull pond.
Can you find it? Look around.
Try and find the orca. Oh. Oh.
Where is it? Have you found him? Go and have a look.
Hooray!
Orca!
Isn't he a beauty?
Down.
Down. Come on then, try to climb out. Over. And look where you're going. Over. Wow, what's
Wow,
that,
big.
Bee? Orca. There we go. Moon. Yeah, moon's on the side of your box. We should draw some orcas, shouldn't we?
Yeah. Happy Happy Christmas Eve, Bee.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm doing some pre-prep. I'm doing some veg prep. Bee's not sleeping in her nap yet again. And Kirsty is on the telly. Okay, here goes. I can understand why Bee doesn't want to nap when we go, okay, well then we'll watch a Christmas film. Whoops. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. Next year all our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. Next year all our troubles will be miles away. Once again as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Golden days of faithful friends who are dear to us will be near to us once more. Someday soon we all will be together if the fates allow. Until then we'll have to muddle through somehow. So have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
Ding dong.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Ding dong. Ding dong.
Oh, all right, everyone. This is the end of Vlogmas, and we just want to wish you a very, very Merry Christmas.
You say Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much for all of your love and support and everything, and we've loved being a part of Vlogmas this year, so thank you. Lots and lots of love to everyone. Stay safe, stay well, and enjoy your Christmas. Love you.
Say goodbye, Bee.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.